Welcome everyone. Every Friday we try to learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague. Six Parshas, Tazria, Metzora. In the book of Leviticus, chapter 13, verse 4, we read, Beheres Levana, he ba'ar b'saro, amokein mar'eha min ha'or, za'ara lehafach levan, piskir ha'kohen, as a negash of asyomim. If the bright spot be white in the skin of his flesh, and the appearance thereof be not deeper than the skin, and the hair thereof be not turned white, then the priest shall shut him up that hath the plague 7 days. Rashi says, he should be locked up in one room or one house, and you should not see him again till the end of the week. And then that would prove if whether he's clean or not as far as the signs of the leprosy. So my holy ancestor, the Maharal of Prague, explains that why is he locked up in one house or one room? So when it says, right, that it should be v'hiskir hakohen es a nega, right? Literally, if you look at now we translated that the priest should lock up the one who has the plague, but actually, literally, it says that he should lock up the plague. So the Maharal is explaining that it's not that he's locking up the plague, but rather he's locking up the person with the plague, right? There's no such thing as locking up the plague, so rather rather you lock the person up, the leper up in the house, so we can prove what the signs are. Because at this point it's not proven to be impure, but he's also not pure. So therefore we're not making a decision on the impurity. But we also don't let him go out if he is impure and wind up defiling everything. Rather you lock him up in the room or in the house or whatever for a week, and then it can prove whether or not he has this biblical plague. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. We'll see you later.